Hello students, this is me Saurav Baroi. I am making this video lecture for the students of class 8 for the subject of mathematics. This is in continuation of the previous video in which we have discussed the questions of exercise number 9.3 up to question number 8. Today students we are gonna discuss question number 9, 10, 11 and question number 12. So let's begin with question number 9. Find a single discount equivalent to two successive discounts of 25% and 20%. This means that there were two discounts that is given to a particular item. We don't have that item here, neither their price nor their quantity. So we'll have to assume the marked price to be rupees 100 because that's the easiest way. Also, we can also begin with let the mark price be X, but that will unnecessarily complicate the process. Now let's understand the question first. We have to find a single discount equivalent to two successive discounts. Successive means one after the other. This means on an item, first of all, a discount of 25% was allowed. After that, whatever the amount was, I mean after 25% discount, the discounted price, on that discounted price again a discount of 20% was allowed. So we have to find a single discount instead of these two discounts. So let's assume the mark price to be 100. So after first discount of 25%, okay, so first discount is going to be 25% of 100, which is rupees 25. Again, the price after the first discount is going to be 100 minus 25, which is 75. Okay, now this 75 is our next price, I mean after the first discount. Then second discount will be calculated on this 75 and not on 100. Got it, students? So this 20% of 75 is 15. You can calculate it manually in case if you want, but as these percentages are very easy to calculate, I have created it directly. So on the first stage we have a discount of 25 and the second stage we have a discount of rupees 15. If we add both the discounts, we get a total of 40 rupees as a discount. So this is the total discount in these two successive discounts. Okay, now we have to add them, that is rupees 40, and 40 is the total discounts out of rupees 100. So this is how to calculate, how to express this in terms of percentage. We just place the discount amount as the numerator and the mark price as the denominator multiplied by 100%. So let's replace the values in this step. This is 40 rupees as the discount, 100 rupees as the marked price. Here it is the marked price that we have assumed, multiplied by 100%, 100 cancelled, and how much left? 40%. Got it, students? Next, question number 10. Find a single discount equivalent to three successive discounts of 20%, 10% and 2.5%. This means there are three successive discounts, one after the other. In the previous case, we had only two successive discounts. So the process is same, just the calculations are a little bit different. As usual, we will have to assume let the marked price be rupees 100. So first discounts will be calculated on rupees 100. That is 20% of 100 is 20. After deduction of 20 from the marked price, it is 80. That is the price after the first discount is 80. This means this 10%, that is the second discount, will be calculated on rupees 80. 10% of 80 is rupees 8. And after deducting 8 rupees from 80, that is the price after the second discount, is 80 minus 8 is 72. Now the price is 72. On 72, a discount will be levied of 2.5%. So 2.5% of 72 is 1 4/5 rupees. Now observe here, students. First we got a discount of 20, then 8, and then 1 4/5. So the total discounts will be the sum of all these three discounts. So the total discount is 20 plus 8 plus 1 4/5. 20 plus 8 is 28, 1 29 and 4/5. That's it. This is our the total discount. Now we'll have to express this discount excuse me, as percentage. So 29 4 by 5, that is the discount amount, divided by 100 multiplied by 100%. 100 and 100 got cancelled, so we have 29 4 by 5%. Next question, question number 11. The sale price of an electric iron is rupees this, that is 1950, and its price before tax, before the tax is added, is rupees 1800. This means this 1950 also includes the amount of tax, and this 1800 is the price of the electric iron before adding the tax. This means if we subtract 1800 from 1950, we will get the tax amount. Okay students, next portion, let's start it. So we'll have to start with the given. What is given in the question? The sale price of the electric iron is rupees 950. Okay, so price before VAT is rupees 1800. Just subtract it to, in order to calculate the VAT. VAT means value added tax. Okay, so in order to calculate the amount of tax, you just subtract one from the another one, and it will give you 150 as the tax amount. We have to calculate the rate of tax. So the rate is equal to VAT divided by the price before tax. This is, always remember, the percentage is expressed with in terms of the price before tax. Okay, not the price after tax. So VAT divided by price before tax multiplied by 100%. 150 divided by, just replace the values, 150 is the tax amount, 1800 is the price before tax or price before VAT, multiplied by 100%. After cancelling out all the common factors, it will give you answer as 1/3%. You can cancel out the common factors yourself, students. In case of any problem, please inform me. Next, question number 12. This question's answer is a little bit lengthy, but the question is very simple. Russell brought what? A pair of sandals. A pair of sandals for rupees 900 at 18% GST. This means, students, that this 900 also contains the amount of tax of how much? 18%. 18% of what? The marked price. Sorry. Excuse me for that. Now this 900 also contains the tax of how much? 18%. Okay, now next portion. And a leather bag for rupees 3500 at 28% GST. This means the 3500 also contains an amount of GST of how much? 28% of the marked price of the leather bag. What is your work? You have to calculate the percent of tax charged on the whole transaction. This means this 18% plus this 28%, the total amount of tax charged on two different goods of two different prices. We will have to express this in terms of percentage. So let's start what has been given in the question. Let's start with whatever is given in the question. Okay, so what is given here? The price of a pair of sandals, which is 900. Percentage of GST charged on this is 18%. Again, the price of the leather bag is rupees 3500, and the percentage of GST charged is 28%. So we are not given the amount of GST, so we'll have to calculate that. So let the price of the sandals without GST be X. This means X plus 18 by 100X. This means X is the marked price, right? Plus the amount of GST, which is 18% of X, and 18% of X means 18 by 100 X, which is equal to 900. On adding these two, this will give you 118 by 100 X equal to 900. This implies if you change the side, just the fraction will reverse. After cancelling out the common factor here, it will give you 762.711 as your answer. This means the price of the sandal without GST is this. If this is the price of the sandal without GST, and this is the price, that is 900 is the price with GST, then if you subtract this 762.711 from 900. This will give you the amount of GST charged, which is 137.288. Now similarly, we can also assume the price, that is the mark price of the leather bag, that is without GST, be Y. Similarly, Y plus 28 by 100Y is equal to 3500. On adding these two, it will give you 128 by 100Y is equal to 3500. Change the side of this fraction, it will get reversed, cancel out the common factor. This will give you 2734.375 as your answer. Now this means the price of the leather bag without GST is 2734.375. If this is the price without GST and this is that it is 3500 is the price with GST, just subtract one from the another one and this will give you 765.625 as your answer, which is the amount of GST. So we have got the first one, that is 137.288 and 765.625 as our GST amounts. You add this, so you will get the total amount of tax charged in the whole transaction. Now this percentage will be calculated on the basis of cost price or the price before the tax, as I have explained you in the previous question. So we'll add this one, this, that is 2734.375 plus 762.711, and that will be our total amount before tax. So that will form the denominator, which is 3497.086, and on adding the total amount of tax, this gives us 902.913 multiplied by 100%. After cancelling out the common factor, this will give you 25.82%, which is our required answer. I hope you understood this, students. In case of any doubt regarding these solutions, please inform me, and please note down these solutions and upload it in the group, okay, as soon as possible. Thank you.